So during the off season we've done a fair few things with the car, but now it's time to give it to Strawbz and get him to make it look a little bit more presentable for the season ahead. It'll be interesting to see how she comes out of this one. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so just got a hairy, looking all good, and just unloaded the car down at Mac 10's factory where Midnight Panels prep station is, and there she is, all snug. So this is the man himself, Strawbz.
How you going?
Midnight Panels. What have we got planned for her, man?
So we're going to do a couple of repairs. We're going to come around here. We're going to neaten this up, straighten all that back out, make that all ready for the next season, for the next wall tap.
There'll be plenty of them, don't worry.
Apart from that, it's pretty clean and tidy. It's not too bad. So we'll just clean up a couple little bits and pieces and yeah, get it all ready for the next season.
Sweet, man. Well, I'm keen as to see what she looks like. Look. We're going to clean it up, but who knows what might happen when we paint it. Something might happen, something might not.
You never know.
Let's see how we go.
So we'll find out.
Until then, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, so we're back down at Midnight Panels prep area, and we're going to get into doing a bit of stripping tonight. We'll end up stripping the front, stripping the rear, getting all the guards off and a few other things, and then we're going to come back and get rid of all these stickers and get into it. Let's do it.
Sounds good.
Okay, so back at it with midnight panels today. Just gone for a walk up to body shop. So what have we got on our agenda today, Strawbz?
What we're going to do, we're going to get all some materials for all the repairs on the car, get a couple other things, and you never know, we might come across a little something special and keep something out for you guys.
Well, I'm excited. Let's get into it. Yep, that one.
So
That's it.
change that to a course or a very course. Yeah, gives it more pop.
That's
course.
Weekend. The Bureau's Dean Strawbz
And it's got-
That is course.
And it's got this one in it.
A few millimetres of rain today.
It's got.
We are potentially seeing a unfolding event
Hi.
into the Monday,
That's
which
nice.
may generate some more.
Is that what we change it to?
Yes.
And the Wiggles say original.
Yeah, I
colour
like
with
that
a
one.
red
Yeah.
page.
So that's the courses you can get. So that's going to balls it up a bit.
After
Yep.
going into cardiac
Yeah, and then with
arrest
that,
during last
go
night's
through it.
bushfire
Do you want me to make it?
reunion concert. He was treated
Or-
behind a
yeah,
stage
can make it.
curtain after
Yeah.
collapsing.
We're gonna do shopping
The
anyway,
remaining
we get
band
You do
members
shopping. I just got to speak to
say-
Reece
Do
for a
we need
minute.
to?
Yeah, I'll be back 5 minutes.
Thanks, Lee.
So you happy, Strawbz?
Very happy, mate. Very fast,
Sweet. Great success. Getting the shot glasses.
Yeah, mate. Big shot glasses.
Ooh.
Man size.
Alright, so we're back at it. Down at Midnight Panels little prep factory, the Mac 10. Got Beezer over there working on his rig. And we're about to get stuck into this. Let's do it.
I've got these monsters in my head.
So Strawbz has been busy at it, absolutely smashing it out. So where we at now, man?
We've taken up all the old filler, taken out all the old filler. Got the panel ready to get the dim puller. So the dim puller is mainly just to get up all the little low spots that are just through here, neaten it all up before I put the filler back through, obviously. But yeah, so saying that, it's ready to go. Let's get into it.
Ripper. Fucking neat.
Just be like that. Not that. Fix, which is okay.
I've got these monsters in my head. Let's see what came from Russia, eh? A few lemon ruskies, you reckon? Strawbz. I have no idea how to open this box. I'm just going to cut everywhere. Surely somewhere under this tape. Oh, there we go. Nice. Fresh new flares for the year. As you can see, the old ones copped a bit of a beating. So we'll make it looking good for the season. Alright, so that's it for the teardown on the rig. On the next one we'll have the fiberglass getting done on the bars. We'll get a bit more bog on the car and get it all ready for primer. I'm keen to see it all in primer because it's going to look different, all one colour, and yeah, it's been something haven't seen since I've had the car. So catch us on the next one, hope you enjoyed, and peace out.